remember how your shadow fit mine, like a quiet song in perfect time. You traced my scars like they were art, turned every fracture into a beating heart. I was shattered, I was numb, carrying the weight of what I'd become. But you saw a light I couldn't see, said there's still something left in me. You pulled me close through the pain I hid, loved every broken piece I never did. You broke me beautifully, turned my pain to poetry. Every tear, every scar you kissed felt like something I had missed. Now I'm standing in the truth of what love can really do, but losing you is killing me. 'Cause you broke me beautifully. You broke me beautifully. We were fire dancing in the rain, every touch erased the shame. But love like ours burns too bright, turns to ashes in the night. You were healing, you were war, open every hidden door. And I let you see too deep, all the ghosts I couldn't keep. You held my soul like fragile glass, but nothing this perfect ever lasts. You broke me beautifully, turned my pain to poetry. Every tear, every scar you kissed felt like something I had missed. Now I'm standing in the truth of what love can really do, but losing you is killing me. 'Cause you broke me beautifully. Now I'm learning how to breathe with the ghost of you and me. Every word you ever said still echoes in my head. Was I healing or just undone? Was I whole or just someone you created just to leave? Now there's nothing left of me. You were the storm I couldn't fight, the only wrong that felt so right. And even now I can't deny I'd relive us just to feel alive. You broke me beautifully, left your mark on everything. Now the silence screams your name, and I'll never be the same. I found pieces of my soul, but you took the part that made me whole. Now loving you is my tragedy, 'cause you broke me beautifully. Yeah, you broke me, but somehow made me more than I could be. And that's the hardest part to see. You broke me beautifully.